if for any reason you choose to reverse a string character, well, that is possible using the reverse string function. Right, so let's take a look at that, how that works. Reverse function, and we use app hello world. So let's say we choose to reverse hello world. So instead of having hello world, we want to go pretty much reverse the order in which the word is spelled out. We can do that using the reverse function. And all we need to do is we use our select keyword, reverse, and then we pass the characters, and when we run this, we get the reverse of hello world, the row ole. That would be how to achieve the reverse of a string character. Let's apply this to our table, our books table. And let's assume we want to print out the first name, and then we'll print out the reverse of the first name. And then we can print out the last name and the reverse of the last name. To do that, we'll have a select, and first we just need the first name, and we want the reverse of the first name, and then we want the author last name, and we want the reverse of the author last name. And we'll just say from books. Right, so let's run this. So what we get here is we have our author's first name, we have the reverse of the author's first name, so we have Brian, Nayab, we have Stevenson, and I'm not going to try and pronounce that. And we can pass an alias with the reverse, and we'll just call this as, I'll call it as reversed name. And we'll do the same, you can say reverse first name. And we'll pass this as reversed last name. All right. Okay. So really, and can't think of where this should be applicable right now, but essentially, if for any reason we want to reverse a character value, we can easily do that using the reverse function. And as usual, we can combine multiple string functions together. So let's assume we want to also add a len function. And I'm going to copy this. And let's say we also want to print the length, the character length of the author's last name. We can then just type in len, and then we'll choose the last name column. And when we run this, and let's choose an alias as, and we could call this last name count. Just call it last name count. When we run this, we will now have that new column, which is the length of the characters, the last name character.